Dulcet is an adjective used to describe something that is pleasing to the senses, especially to the ear. It typically refers to sounds that are sweet, soothing and melodious, evoking a sense of calm or delight. The word can also be used more broadly to describe anything gentle or agreeable. Origins of dulcet or dulcet originates from the Latin word dulcis, meaning sweet. It entered English in the late 14th century through Old French, carrying its association with sweetness and harmony. While originally used in musical contexts, its meaning has expanded to include other pleasant or soothing experiences. How to use dulcet. Dulcet is often used poetically or descriptively to convey the idea of something that is charmingly soft or harmonious. It is most commonly applied to voices or music, but can also describe other experiences that evoke a sense of gentleness or delight. Example sentences: the dulcet tones of the violin filled the concert hall, captivating the audience. She woke to the dulcet sound of birdsong outside her window. His dulcet words had a calming effect, easing everyone's anxiety. Similar words: melodious, having a pleasant melody; tuneful, harmonious, having a pleasing combination of elements, especially in sound; euphonious, pleasing to the ear; harmonious, nuances of dulcet. While dulcet is generally positive, it can sometimes be used sarcastically to describe something overly sweet or cloying, particularly in tone or manner. For instance, a person's dulcet apologies might be insincere or excessively ingratiating. In essence, dulcet captures the charm of sensory delight, particularly in sounds that soothe and enchant. Whether describing a melodic song, a gentle voice, or even a poetic phrase, dulcet evokes a sense of soft, pleasing harmony. Subscribe.